Hi, this is Litre Internal Parts Pro. Today we 2017 Toyota Hilux, stock number 7384. It's went from a 6 2015 to the 5 2020. There's a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel to tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel to tyre. Right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel to tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch aftermarket wheel to tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid and the gear shifter. Your AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,